can see. There we have it! 3T22! And for having proof for it, me here, and I am right here next to the siren. You know what? I'll get a better view for you guys from the sidewalk. Just look. Can you see it in the background? I hope you can, though. Just look at that baby. 3T22. It's a full-blown 3T22 siren. No way. I'll sit on this car and record it. No way. I actually saw that. No way. I actually see this. Yo. This is so sick. I'll get it at the best view. I'll get it at the best view I can. What? Fuck! Yo! So cool! I got it even better! Bro! I can't believe I'm right here in this situation right now! Literally! Can you see it with me? This is so cool! I can't believe it! I just saw 3T22! I just saw 3T22! And none of you guys have! I can't believe it! So cool! No one is ever gonna believe me! Alright, this time I'm gonna record because I think there's a lot of 3T22s around here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna stay recording.
No.
No, honey.
Yeah, turn it off.
You're not gonna have any.
You're gonna waste your
memory.
Your memory.
This is so cool.
All right, so
You
yeah,
can
go
see
back the other way. Make
I
a
am
left.
right
go
here in
back
the
out
car,
to Teal.
and that's the 3T22. I have to stop recording now. I have to.
We could have.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like,
Here
Yeah,
we
not
are.
the hammer, but
Garden center.
yeah, there. Because I think there is like a garden center up here somewhere.
We see another one. We know there's another one. Not for the fact that it's like in the middle of winter and we've been getting a really nasty winter and it's like 51 degrees now. Alright, I'm gonna get a good view for the first time. In like the first. For the first time I'm gonna get a good view for the first thing. There. There's one. I'm gonna get an even better view from up here. You're getting a better view. Oh, snow's kind of hard to walk on because it's gonna collapse on me. We're fine. We're fine. Yeah, we're fine. Or are we? I don't know if we are. I don't know. I don't want to record.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O.
All right, here we are. Oh, my feet almost collapsed in the snow. Yeah. There it is. All for us. There it is. Now I gotta climb back down. Another dangerous thing. I'm here and I'm climbing some snow. So why do you hear I'm just go and go? Because I am here in this video and you're only watching. So you could just subscribe and like and share. Subscribe. That was not the best choice. Now I'm gonna try and get a close-up view. Now I think it actually says something on it. Can I see what it says? Fill code is what it says. Can you see it? See if you can see it. Alright. I hope that may have done something for you. I hope so. Time to go on to our next siren. Ah!
Are your Jeep doors hard to close it over? Sometimes.
To open, yes.
Not even. Alright, so we do have to go back the other way. We cannot go because of the development. I'll have to hook that sharp.
All right. After all this siren hunting, I knew it was time to get some food, which is why I went to my favorite store, Green Market, or Green Life Market, whatever it's called, and got a cookie. Also, thanks for Green Market for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check them out. Here again.
Oh,
There's a place in there.
All right, we're gonna show you the siren! Tornado siren! Woo! Why am I climbing here? All right. Yes, I'm gonna try and get a good view. I will. All right. I'm gonna see if I can show you. This was kind of hard to see. And I think it actually went off. I'm gonna try and go around to show you. You know, I do everything for you guys, even if it includes putting my life in danger. Because, you know, I do anything for you guys to keep you only entertained. If you think I'm making a good choice, then type "don't eat the snow," especially the yellow stuff. Type that in the comments if you think I'm doing a good job. All right, I'm around here. I'm gonna try to show you. It should be up here. All right, I'm gonna try and get close to it. Maybe even close enough to touch it. All right. I think I see the siren panel. That's probably it. Right. This is a good thing I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, we're not gonna be able to touch it. But do you see it? Alright. Need to get it to stop the blur. There it is. I'm gonna try and get down now. This is an unsafe situation. I'm just gonna jump down because I think that's the best idea. But that got some snow in my shoes and I'm now leveled down. No one probably really ever goes here. No, I'm not doing this. Is there really any way for me to touch the real, actual siren? Like, what if I actually could touch it? Oh, there it is. Oh my God. I could climb on and see it. I will do anything for a good view. Let's see. Touch the roof. Right. Can we actually get up here and see it? I'll see if we can. We? No, we cannot, I think. I don't think we can. This may be one of my best sirens so far because I might actually show you. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're making progress. Oh, 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 oh. I will do anything for this YouTube channel. Oh, if I actually can see it. I'll do this to get a good view from up here. All right. Never thought I'd be in this moment. I'm on a roof next to a siren. Stand up right here. There it is. The tornado siren on the roof. All right, I gotta get down now. Now, what do I do? What do I do? And now I've just landed, but there's bird poo. What do I do? Oh, what do I do? Now I've landed, but there's bird poo. That was hard. Gee, that was hard. Right now, I'm here. Nobody's gonna see me. I won't get in trouble either because I don't think the firemen are. I think I actually will. I'm gonna go up there all the way. I'm getting up there all the way because why not? I'd actually go tornado siren hunting for the first time you've ever seen. I actually have done it before. You just didn't see it because I didn't get a recording. So yeah, first recording time. All right, I'm here up here. Come see me. I'm right on the roof. What if it actually goes off? There it is. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm this close to the actual siren part of a tornado siren. I actually have always liked tornado sirens, but I've never gotten this close to one. This is an advantage. What if I touch it? No, I'm not going to. Will jump down. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I jumped off the roof. Oh, no way! I jumped off the roof. No one saw me, so there is no proof. I know you. What?
Okay.
Are we still tornado siren hunting?
No, I think we're done now.
Why?
Because you just ran around an entire firehouse and disappeared.